You know, I wasn't planning on shooting a vlog today. John here, 757 FC TV. But I think this is turning into one. This is going to be one of those special nights that are talked about in Lionsbridge Football Club lore. Assuming that this even happens. If you see this video, the game has happened. So we're hosting the Eastern Conference quarterfinals. Earlier tonight, Northern Virginia FC played Westchester United. And now, Lionsbridge versus Salem City had the 7:30 kickoff. We got 20 minutes into the game before this insane thunderstorm rolled in. The time is now like 11:30, and we are still delayed. We are outside of Town Bank Stadium, and it's still, they're saying we're gonna play tonight. We're 20 minutes in. Teg Healy has scored a beauty of a goal. I did get that. You will see that here. And we are going to wait around. We're going to see if they let us back in to finish this game, assuming that the pitch isn't waterlogged, assuming that it stops thundering and lightning. This is going to be an epic night. Wouldn't want the grass to get dry. Oh my gosh. Stadium is officially back open. It is like, I don't even know what time it is. It's like 12:30 in the morning, something like that.
We've never stayed this late before.
We have had games run later than this, but by the time the game ends, we'll have been here later.
Like,
but hey, we're here, we're committed. We're gonna wait for the boys to walk out. We're doing it, guys. Lionsbridge versus Salem City FC, running it back. It is 12:45. No merch, no food trucks, no inflatables, just soccer. Just fans in the stands that are dedicated. Just the dedicated best fans in the league. Prove me otherwise. Anyone else would be playing in front of nobody but us. We're built different around here. Kicking off in under 10 minutes. This is gonna be a fun night, guys. Come on. We still got fans. We still got fans. It is halftime here at Tumbling Stadium. Scored 2-0 Lionsbridge over Salem City right now. It's like 1:30 in the morning. We're getting pretty silly. The boy is down there as a ball kid. Very proud of him and his ability to get a ball. Right. What do you think of being a ball kid, boy?
I'm really excited. This is a very good ball. If only you could feel it.
It's feel it through the video. No, it's just, you know, that's top quality equipment right there. So anyways, we're gonna hang out for a few minutes. There's nothing going on. There's no scram. There's no nothing to do. There's no halftime stuff. There's ads. There's ads playing on the billboard, and that's it. So 2-0, we're up. It's very late, like I said before, but we're just having a good time hanging out with the fans. So.
Get up!
So that's it, final whistle, 4-0 to Lionsbridge over Salem City. It is 2:45 in the morning. We are tired. What a long night, but a rewarding night. It was a lot of fun. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. We go on to the Eastern Conference semifinals. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Goodness. So we're gonna get home safely and sound, and we're gonna get some rest. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you in the next one. Later.